Good morning. Topic number 10, Communication Technology, the new directions of progress. In an earlier period, we study informations and the important components of computer. In computer, there are two main components. One is hardware, which consists all the mechanical parts, screen, CPU, scanner, keyboard, mouse, printers, then speakers. All these are included as a hardware. And next one is a software, that's which gives the commands to computer. Hmm? So informations can be get input in this software by using various commands. Okay. Mm, first software we are going to study, that is the Microsoft Word. Let's see how we can operate this computer. Hmm? Here on your computer you will see the various icons. Here at the bottom, this icon is called the start button. Okay, in start here the many all these software commands are present. Okay, we can, by using this mouse, if you rotate, then this cursor we can place a set on the start button. Okay, if you click here you will get all these icons. Okay, which is, see, first Microsoft PowerPoint, Solitaire, Gayatri B Paint, Photo Studio, Microsoft Office, Excel, Bubble Place, Calculator, Media Center, Windows Media Player, Microsoft Office Word, MMX 335W, 3G USB Manager, WinRAR. Okay, then different copy, HP scanning, Google Chrome, chest titles, Firefox, image cutter, use scan utility, Adobe Reader X control panel. Okay, and here the all programs that include remaining programs. Okay, today we are using only, we are going to study about the Microsoft Word. So this is Microsoft Word. If you click cursor here, you will get the Office Word 2007, and you will find such type of the screen. This is the Microsoft Word, screen of the Microsoft Word. There we can write any informations. Then before going here, we have to click on this icon, then you will get new, open, save as, print, all things. Okay, click on the new. If you click, you will get the new slide. There blank, in a new option. Okay, in a new option you will get a blank document. See, this one is a blank document. After clicking on the new, there are blank document there. Click on this option. By clicking this, here the blank document is open. Here you can create any information. You can write any informations or material what you want to be typed by using this keypad. By using this keypad, you can write here by using this keypad. Okay, see, here I press the A. As I press the A, you will see that, see, there is nothing on the screen. If I press A, see, then A is appears on the paper, blank paper. Then B, then C, D, E, F, G. Okay, so by using the keypad you can write the informations on this. Okay, suppose we want to be type a equation in the text on this in the Microsoft Word, then here in insert there is a C option equation is there. Okay, by using this equation, see there are different equation. See, if I want this equation A is equal to pi square, click here, that will be appears on the screen. Here if I click it here, see, equation is here. Okay, okay, so by using this you can use any equation. Suppose I want to this equation. Okay, I want this. Yes, I want this equation. Click here, it will be appears on your screen. Okay, see, this is a second equation. Okay, like that in a Microsoft Word we can. Then after that you have to be save it. Click here, then here save option is there, save as option is there. By save as option you can save this information in your computer. In this way Microsoft Word we use. Then next one is the Excel, Microsoft Excel. Again, go to start button, click here, and then Microsoft Excel, click here. On clicking you will appear this type of the screen. On the screen, see, there are various icons are there. You can use these icons to store informations. Okay, in Excel there A, B, C, D columns are there, and there are so many rows. In Excel at a one page you will get the first sheet, second sheet, third sheets. As you go in forward direction you will get the so many sheets. Okay, many pages. Okay, here in this also you have to select new and the blank document, blank worksheet. This is the blank worksheet. So here you will get the blank worksheet. Then here type the informations. Okay, you can, by typing you can write any or store any informations. Okay, after you finish, select the informations and click on require graph. Okay, in this way the second software, that is the computer Excel, Microsoft Excel, you can use. Okay, then save it in your computer, and whenever you require you can open it again. Then third one is the Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint, click on the start button. Then here you get Microsoft PowerPoint, click here. So you will get that first page, add to title and click add substitute. Okay, here by using the PowerPoint you can make the informations from start to the end. Suppose I want to this PowerPoint is used for the presentation. I want to present the information related to my school. So here I can write the name of our school, that is the VAH Paranjpe. Okay, that is the name of the school. Then here you can also add the subtitle, opening or any culture program, culture program. Okay, so that is the title page. Then by insert here, then at here select the new slide. select on the new slide, you will get the one more slide. This is the first slide. See, that is already written on the first slide, VH Paranjpe culture program. Then second slide, that this was a blank. So here you can add the information related to our culture program. Here you can write the date of culture date. Okay, suppose 12/12/2000, date 12/12/2021. Okay, that's the date of the culture program. Then if you want another, then take the third slide. So second slide, see, date of the culture program. Then third slide is a blank. Then again write informations on the third slide. That the sports day, SPORTS, sports day, suppose sports day. Okay, then take one more slide. Blank side. Okay, then right here cultural day, or the suppose then so in this way you can write the correct information. Then you can view these collected informations differently. Then you can add, see, normal, slide sorter, note pages. Then here the slideshow. If you use the slideshow, then these three slides will be appears one by one on your screen. See, VH Paranjpe, date, then sports day. Okay, then blank, and then end of the show. Click here to exist. Okay, then you will get the original slide. Okay, in this way, as well as here you can also add the various options. That is, you can insert some information or design it. This page, suppose this one. Okay, use this design. You can use this design, or here also you can use designs. Here also any type of design you can use, as well as you can change the font by selecting the different type of the fonts. Okay, effect, you can also use the effect, this effect. Then you can see how this effect will be. In view, if you see the slideshow, the effect will be shown. Different effect is there. Date, suppose the end of the program. Okay, in this way we can use this Microsoft PowerPoint. Here in your textbook, see, some uses of informations communication technology are given. We can use it to demonstration as well as predictions, and for the collecting scientific information. There are the opportunities in the computer field for the job. For as a software field, in a software field, you can work as a software engineer, as well as the repairers, electricians. You can work in the software field. Hardware field, there also the mechanical part was repairing and replaced by the engineers. Okay, so the hardware, in a hardware field there is opportunities. Training institute, you can also open your training institute to give the training for other, and for the marketing purpose you can also use this computer. So there's a lot of opportunities are also available in a computer field, and that is why it is important. Information technology very important. You can write all this exercise in your textbook. Thank you.